Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the Tile Tooltip Delay in Menace. Let's begin by opening the Settings menu, then navigate to the General Settings. Here, in the Tile Tooltip Delay, you can set the delay from the lowest value of 1 millisecond up to 2000. By the default, it is set to 750 milliseconds. Of course, you can change it to whatever value you prefer. 2000 milliseconds is 2 seconds. 1 millisecond, of course, it's 1/1000th of a second. Set it to whatever you like. I will set it to like 200 milliseconds. And then simply hit back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.